Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's explore how EON Reality's AI assistant is revolutionizing the energy sector with virtual and augmented reality. First, efficiency and operator training. It enhances productivity by assisting workers in learning machinery operation via AR modules. Maintenance and repairs, simplified with AR-based real-time support for troubleshooting and repairs. Collaboration, optimized, with remote teams sharing real-time views for swift troubleshooting. Lastly, hazard identification. Workers can flag potential risks using AR tools. The EON AI Assistant is fully customizable, a valuable tool for the energy sector. That's it. If you're in the energy industry and want to enhance safety, efficiency, and collaboration, EON Reality's AI Assistant is the answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.